Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change users' passwords and how to set new passwords for them. Okay, so first let's go to this directory /etc/shadow and let me scroll down, and here are our user accounts. We have the D Jackson user account, D Dave, Esto, Eldo, and Jado. Okay, so as you can see, password has been set for Jado. How do I know this? I tell you how. You see that is the hash for the password, okay? And as you can see here, these user accounts do not have that hash. Except they have that. Okay, so this is an indicator that these users do not have password and this user has. So first let's set new password for Esto user. Okay, so for that I'm going to type this command, passwd sdo. Okay, so new password. I didn't need to type sudo because I'm using the root account. Just remember that. Okay, so I'm going to type a weak password. However, if it was a real user account, you need to type a really strong password for it. Okay, now let's go back to that directory. As you can see, a new password has been set. Now let me change the password for the Jado user account. Okay. It's right here. So that is how you would change users' password and how to set new password for them. I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.